Another old building here as well. I assume this might have been something like an old goods building of some kind. That's what they usually tend to be, mixed use, but obviously been reappointed as something else here. The old station signs there, which are worth a pretty penny as well. So yeah, it's a nice little railway. It's certainly not on the depth of the Great Central, but it's got its own little bits of charm as well. So that's the main thing. It's absolutely lovely. Pretty place.